fun. Nice noise. Sunbeam Tiger was a 4.2 litre. Beautiful area, Square 4, owned by me. What's down here? Got a bunch of British cars and European cars. A bunch of Jaguars, E-types, a whole bunch of E-types, and earlier SK. Got a lovely Jaguar XK. 67 Jag, 69, 65 E-type, XKE, a whole bunch of E-types. And you got to have a 2CV, haven't you? Simple 2CV, deux se voir, as they say in France. Triumphs, a whole bunch of Triumphs. TR Triumphs, like a TR6, that one. Earlier TR2s and 3s, I guess. Triumph convertible. Morris Minor. Sunbeam. All mix. British stuff at Hendersonville, North Carolina. I like this one. Stunning. Cool, I mean. Yeah, Riley, 2.5, yeah.
Hi, darling. You are my favorite breed. Yes, you are. What is your name?
Classics.
What's your name?
MG.
Hi, Abby.
Got this one from my friend Peter Sprott, who's just bought one of these. It's a 1951 TD. Okay, Peter, if you're watching this, this is nice. Bit like yours. This is 1 year later.
No,
Stunning and beautiful. It's yours?
No.
No? I bet you wish it was.
No, that's mine.
Alright.
I'm happy with that.
Stunning, yeah.